Changzhou Airwheel Technology Company Limited, established in 2013, is a professional manufacturer engaged in the research, development, production, sale, and service of intelligent and portable transportation. We are headquartered in Changzhou with convenient transportation access. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. We have 100 employees, of whom 30 are R&D designers. We have a strong R&D team to support our products and improve our product line. In recent years, our company has introduced a series of advanced products such as self-balancing electric unicycle, self-balancing scooter, electric folding bike, smart electric riding suitcase, auto-folding electric wheelchair. Airwheel products are welcomed both at home and abroad and have been exported to over 70 countries already. Through years of innovative and industrious work, Changzhou Airwheel Technology Company Limited has grown up to be a prominent creative brand in the intelligent personal transport industry. Driven by its slogan, "Travel Smart, Travel Green," Airwheel keeps on creating more innovative and eco-friendly products to give clients more options and lead the trend of the future transportation. Airwheel is ready to amaze devoted and passionate fans and create greater value for distributors worldwide. With your support and our efforts, we deeply believe that the tomorrow of Airwheel will be much better.